It can sometimes be challenging to figure out how to cut up a round melon, especially when you're not going for slices. So what I always do is I cut off the ends first. We obviously don't want to waste too much of the fruit, but we want to make sure to get through that thick rind. So now we have a nice flat surface to rest our melon on, and we can just use our knife and kind of peel it almost like an orange. You're going to be going along to make sure that you get all of that white. But this is the same exact method that I use for cantaloupes, honeydew, and any other round melon. Even pineapples, I go around and peel it like this after I cut off the ends. And then once you have that, you can cut it however you want. And it's not as tricky. So here we go. You want to get it onto its flat edge. And this is where I can real quickly just kind of shave off any pieces I missed. But once you have a flat edge, you're able to just slice and chop however you'd like. And then as you go, continue to find those flat edges to keep yourself safe from your sharp knife. And you have your perfect chunks or cubes ready to serve.